Okay, guys, I'm done trying to put out good content, so Rubik's Cube, anybody? I'm going to lose my sanity by the end of this video. So, let's try to solve this thing. Because I scrambled it really bad. I got this from the dollar store. Weird.
You're never gonna solve that.
I solved one in a McDonald's Happy Meal. That was my first ever Rubik's Cube. And don't ask about the sounds. Those people mowing the lawns where I live. I messed this thing up so bad.
I can fix it.
Dude, I'm never gonna get the green side.
I can fix it.
Oh shit.
I can be outside.
I'm gonna try this, even though it's like morning, it's like 10 a.m. Oh god, I can't see jack. This thing has good toning, but did I say toning? I meant toning.
You said turning the first time.
Oh. Wait, can this one shapeshift? Let's try it. And no, it cannot. I wish it could because I could mess this thing up even more. God. I've seen Rubik's Cubes that shapeshift. It's kind of crazy. Dude.
Don't run up, let up. Just the album. Really cold on me.
Oh, great. Time to get away from my copyright issues from... Don't play the copyright music, please. Oh, shoot. This is the green side so far. I think I'm losing my sanity doing this thing. Oh, dear God. Oh, Jesus, God. Yeah, cool. Now I just need to get the last 3 yellows. If I were to backtrack, but I have bad memory, so I can't backtrack. This is the yellow side, everybody. This is the yellow side. It may look orange, but right here is orange. Oh, shoot. I need to keep my mind up and running so I don't lose my absolute sanity doing this thing. Just the last 2. Then I'll have the yellow side solved. But I'll still be screwed because I will have to undo the yellow side. We're back. Let's get back to cubing. Because I truly suck at these. What? Still making this video.
How come you went in?
I don't know. It was too bright out. Oh my god, dude. You're gay.
I'm not gay. I have a girlfriend.
Shut up.
Says the one that can't get one.
Shut up!
I'm sorry.
Screw you.
I'd flip you off right now, but your channel's family friendly.
Yes.
Oh, I'll do it. Dare me and I'll do it.
No.
That's what I thought.
Okay. Look at this side. It's just pure red, white, and blue. What is this, America? Well, I do live in America. Plus. Can you stop?
Hey, you might get it.
I might if I complete the yellow side.
Bro, I can literally get that for you in 2 seconds, bro.
I'm killing time. I am watching YouTube in the background, like watching TV in the background, basically. I suck at these things. This is why I wanted to start with a 2x2. I'm killing my time. This thing is still very much scrambled, and I suck at that. Yes, I have sunglasses right here. Why? I don't know, and I don't care. Comment, like, and subscribe if you want me to get to 50 subs, and I'll do a live stream. Well, I'm going to try and solve this thing. But soon, if I do get the 2x2 off Amazon, if my pap lets me get it, I'll make a video and try to solve that. I'm gonna hate that, but comment, like, and subscribe, and when I get to 50 subs, remember, I'm doing a live stream on YouTube here, and I'll try to solve this piece of junk. So please comment, like, and subscribe, guys. Video over.